are going to continue with the primaries on 24th, 25th, and 26th. We have divided it just to reduce the pressure on our logisticians who have asked for more time to be able to do this. So Nairobi is definitely taking place on Monday. Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet, Kirinyaga, Bomet, and Nandi. Mentioning those in total so that those who are preparing themselves for Monday can continue to make those preparations. The others are slated for Tuesday and Wednesday, and I would like to also add that because our people in charge of logistics are still working on this, in the unlikely event that they tell us anything that, there's any kind of hitch, like let's say some ballot papers, they have counted them and they are not enough, we don't want to make the same mistake twice. So if they tell us, sorry, we're not ready for this place, we will give the update to all our aspirants through the media, and we'll give the update to our officials both through the media and directly through the forms of communication that we have directly with them. So while I've announced it, but I must say that the final word, the final dot on the I, is by our logistics director.
What we did was secure further support from the party to ensure that we have more boots on the ground, because this wasn't just about ballot paper. It was also that when you look at what the president said about the unprecedented turnout, one of the biggest things you have to address when you're dealing with that much of a heavy turnout is it's an election-sized project. So you must also have an election-sized staff complement.